Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I'm here to pick a winner for the KS Craft Winter Flowers. I know I'm a little late. I was supposed to pick a winner yesterday. I had some technical difficulties and then stuff around, personal life that had to be taken care of. So I did go through and checked everyone to make sure that they were subscribed and they did what you were supposed to do. So I've cut everybody's names. There weren't a lot of comments. And let me pick a winner. All right. Oh, Mary Roberts. Oh my gosh, girl. You need to buy a lottery ticket or something. Yeah. Okay, Mary, you're lucky. Okay, Mary, I do have your address, I'm pretty sure, but go ahead and email me just like we usually do. daisydebcrafts@gmail.com. Okay? All right, give me an email with your address. I know I have it in stock. In fact, I know you're in the swap, so I'll probably send your prize with the swap. That way I'll save on postage if you're okay with that. Let me know. All right, thank you, lucky girl, Mary Roberts. All right, she is in our Facebook group, and we're doing a swap right now. In fact, I am going to do a video showing what I'm sending, and then the Facebook group needs to not look. All right, but anyway, y'all take care. Bye.